Hey there, Scott with SkipperBud's up here in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here's one of our 2024 HD3s from Four Winns. See, it's black with a gray stripe and a nice gray interior. Comes with a nice table mount. Row 3 drive. Nice permanent walkthrough, so it's easy to get in and out of. This boat's equipped with a Mercruiser 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower engine, rated for 12 people. Nice spacious bow area. Also has a bow ladder. Pop-up cleats up in the front. Nice big in-floor storage here as well. Also got a nice head compartment. And it's a pump out porta potty, so it is a pump out. Seat flips back and forth and lays down. Got nice recessed cup holders all the way throughout this boat, so very nice, easy way to put your drinks. It does have a washout hose up front and one in the stern. Got that one in the stern there. And then that table can be mounted there. It can also be mounted in the cockpit, and it can be mounted up in the bow area. Comes with a kicker stereo. It is Bluetooth. Nice bolster seats. Of course, you got nice big storage underneath all the seats. There's a little spot for a built-in cooler there. Battery switch and more storage. And again, just tons of room up front. Nice ladder with anchor storage. There you have it. If you have any other questions or further interest on this boat or any other boat on our website, give us a call. We're happy to assist.